Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch round canvas that I have used in the past, but I am not all that thrilled, and I think I'm going to use it now. I'm going to put a little Anita's white metallic down. And some green gold. And some emerald green, the color shifts from folk art. Some purple. I think I want some Prussian blue, but I'm not sure where. There it is, I got it. I'm trying to be random. I'm not that great at being random. I've got some darker green that I don't know what is, or I would tell you. And then, because I really like purple, and I have an affectation for purple flash from folk art, I'm going to put some of that in there too. And this is Amsterdam Black with pre-stained wood conditioner in it. I'm really tempted to blow it out. I wonder if I could get my blow dryer hooked up. I was going to use my airbrush, but I have a blow dryer. It's not plugged in. It could be pretty quickly if I give myself a second. And you give me a second. Let's give it a try. It's not working? Really? That's still not working. Here we go. Not my best moment. My paints have not been thinned, obviously. Those are the colors I wanted to use. They have some cells in some places, that's pretty cool. I probably could have used a whole layer of white metallic underneath and it would have been fine. Alright, because I can, and I have an airbrush, and it's not plugged in because I unplugged it. How clever can you be in one moment? You just move the center dribbles in, so I don't think it's going to hurt anything. I might move the exterior circle out. Because that Amsterdam Black with pre-stained wood conditioner in there is going to help things sell up a little bit. So let's just grab a few of my favorite colors, or whatever's handy. I'm going to try some Prussian blue, but I'm going to give myself a base layer. Is there any left in there? Some more of the Anita's white metallic. That is a color shifting red pink from folk art. I want some more of my favorite color in there. And to grab the Amsterdam Black, which has a clog in it, but not enough to keep me from doing anything. I think more white next time. Maybe. I keep forgetting that marble is probably falling right down. I could be using a different base. Might be a good idea. Let's just use these in a different configuration and see what happens. I want some gold. I also want some blue. I want some of my bottles out of the way is what I really want, to tell you the truth. I found blue I was after though. And that might be interesting because I put that pre-stained wood conditioner laden Amsterdam Black down before. Oh, I like that one. That's pretty. Let's grab whatever's handy and layer on the colors. That's a purple metallic. That's an electric blue from Arteza. This is a Modern Masters Venetian blue. That is a Hobby Lobby brand Master's Touch with some iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. I suppose it's possible I could have blown too hard. I'm told I have good lungs. Let's go for something right in the middle. I want some hot orchid in there. I'm a little nervous about using some white metallic in there because I don't think it'll show up, but I want to try it anyway and see what happens. So now I've got a couple of flowers with the same colors. I'm going to try a turquoise base. I have left a large skewer from an earlier video in my way and I keep putting bottles on it. I have a dioxazine purple here somewhere. I keep grabbing the same amethyst. There's the dioxazine purple. That'll work. And I have a really nice light blue. But what came to hand is the electric blue. And I haven't used any of yet. It's this turquoise color shifting from Folk Art. Helps if I put the black in. I want that pale blue. There we go. So far so good. Kind of like the background color showing through there. Really wishing that I could have a white flower, and I'm not sure how to go about that. Other than to find some actual white and try it out. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link on the link tree underneath the video. That worked out pretty well, actually. I didn't get the white flower, but I got some really nice gold cells. Makes me want to put some more in here. Makes me want to just leave that alone, actually. Leave a gold center in something. Why not? There we go. So I'm going to try this Meeden again. That's the Meeden white and the Meeden black. They're both on my Amazon link, and the black covers, best coverage I've ever seen in one go. Did I get my white flower? I'm not sure. I never did clear that tip in that amethyst. I'm thinking that I have that nice background I put down around the edges, and if it seems like something that I want to do tomorrow, I can always continue out with my flowers. Because they're kind of blending a lot. I mean, they're still there. I really only got this one place. Well, there's 2, 3, 4. I've got plenty to do yet. Kind of want to try some other color, and I've got a magenta I don't use very often that I really should use. Time might be getting away from me. Yeah, it's got 3 minutes left. Getting a little more interesting. It's pretty colors, if nothing else. Just gonna keep adding colors and hoping for the best. Oh, that was good. That was, that's definitely showing up better than some other things. I'm really tempted to just try some plain white flowers. Not sure how it's going to work. But at least I can identify the spots I need to fill, which is probably neither here nor there. I definitely wanted to try just the black on white and see what it did. Now I know, it sells at least. I want some of that riotous orange, red orange again, and I think I want it right here. I'm afraid I'm going to run out of time before I get done, so I'm going to load up a few things. With some colors so I can just sort of move around and blow them out. I wish I'd put some yellow in there. That probably would have been a great idea, huh? Let's just add a small amount of yellow and see what happens. Put that with the I think that's everything. I think I'm spitting in my flowers. I think occasionally I just want to spiral the center out. I've got 2 minutes left to tell you guys. I do sell my artwork, and if you're interested, make note of the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video, or the date that you saw it in an exhibition video and the time you saw it in that same exhibition video. One more and I'm done, and it's basically just colorful. Not sure what I should do, because I really think I'd like to have something else right over here. I have some pink I haven't used today. That's a little better. That balances things out somewhat more. I want some blue in there. I love that gold flower, but it does not stand out. And I would like it to. So, I tell you guys stuff every time. And all it's really left to tell you is that there's a monthly drawing if you want to help the studio survive. And you want to be of assistance. There's PayPal and Patreon for donations. And if you are somebody who can donate, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. That's better. And the drawing, you can see what the prizes are for the drawing on the end screen video in the last 20 seconds at the beginning of that exhibition video. That's on every video. That's pretty cool. Kind of want to go in there with some black tomorrow or something. I think if I'd put if I'd black the circle out in the center, I might be happier. But there's plenty of times when I'm not super thrilled with what I have initially, and then I decide I like it later. And it's very colorful, and it's very pretty, even if it doesn't look clearly like flowers right at this exact moment. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, attempting a bloom do-over on a 16-inch round canvas. Please give me a thumbs up if you can manage it. I would love it if you would share my videos. Check my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Look for my Facebook.